Question. An advocate is an officer of the court and a privileged member of the community. Discuss the duties of an advocate towards the court, client, and opponent under the BCI rules. 1. Introduction. The legal profession is not a business but a public service. An advocate has a tripartite duty: to the court, to the client, and to the public opponent. These duties are codified in Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India Rules. Failure to adhere to these duties constitutes professional misconduct. 2. Duty to the court. The highest duty. An advocate is first an officer of the court and then a representative of the client. Respectful attitude. Must maintain a respectful attitude towards the court. No private communication. Must not attempt to influence the decision of a court by any illegal or improper means, e.g., private communication with a judge. Rejection of unfair means. Must refuse to represent a client who insists on using unfair or improper means. Dress code. Must appear in the prescribed academic dress: black robe and white band. 3. Duty to the client. The relationship between a lawyer and a client is fiduciary, based on trust, bound to accept briefs. An advocate is bound to accept any brief in the courts or tribunals where they propose to practice, provided the fee is consistent. No withdrawal without reason. Once accepted, they cannot withdraw from a case without sufficient cause and reasonable notice. Fearless defense. Duty to fearlessly uphold the interests of the client by all honorable and legal means. Confidentiality. Under Section 126 of the Indian Evidence Act, an advocate cannot disclose communications made by the client. Attorney-client privilege. No bidding on property. An advocate should not adjust their fee against the property of the client or bid for it in a legal auction. 4. Duty to the opponent and colleagues. Fairness to opponent. An advocate shall not mislead an opponent or suppress facts. No direct communication. Should not communicate with a party represented by another advocate except through that advocate. Non-solicitation. Rule 36. An advocate shall not solicit work or advertise, either directly or indirectly. This includes big signboards or flashy websites.